Hey guys, I'm here in the garden, and last night my wife was about to throw this out. This had some chocolate chip little mini brownies in it, and I looked at it and I was like, you know what? This would be a perfect planter for seedlings. And also it closes, so it's kind of like a greenhouse. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually plant some pepper seeds inside this. Move you guys down so you can see. There we go. All right, so we're gonna get some soil. We're just gonna fill this up. It's got individual little dimples here where the cupcakes went, so it's perfect for starting seedlings. And because it has a lid, it's gonna act like a little mini greenhouse. So this is sort of ideal here. All right, so we've kind of got our soil set up in here. Now we're gonna get our seeds. We're gonna plant some pepper seeds. I did not label these peppers. Pepper seeds, so I don't know what kind of peppers it's going to be, but they're going to be peppers, which is good enough. So basically, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but basically you're going to put your seeds in, and then you can close it up, give it a little bit of water, put it in a sunny spot, and bam, you got your own little mini greenhouse. All right, if you learned something there, hit the like button. All right, take care. Bye.